Dimitri, I watch all your YouTubes, and I'll probably watch this one too. I got onto you via YouTube, and of course I've bought a lot of accessories from you previously, and that's the reason we've come here is to get some more accessories and kick tyres. I've got a number of accessories from you, but probably the one that's caused the most interest is the oil cooler, because you know we're often in hot weather, and recently on the 3-day ride, a friend of mine, he said he kept feeling the cylinders every time we stopped and comparing his with ours, and it was much cooler on ours. So needless to say, I've got one today to take home for him.